Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to correct miscategorized transfers at scale in Copilot Money. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to correct miscategorized transfers at scale in your Copilot Money, all you can do is simply access your bulk edit mode. So to correct the miscategorized transfers at scale in Copilot Money, you can use the bulk editing feature to select multiple transactions at once and recategorize them simultaneously. So if you are using any of your iOS apps, then you can long press on any single transaction in the transaction tab to enter your multi-select mode. If you are using your MacBook or your iPad app, then you can tap on the small box to the left of any transaction to enter multi-select mode. The next step is to simply select the relevant transaction. Once you're in the bulk edit mode, you can select multiple miscategorized transactions by tapping the box next to each other and filter them as well. So now you can change your transaction type if necessary for transfers and apply the correct category. Now you can leverage your Copilot intelligence for future. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.